want to big up the Angel and Khago for what them are doing now. Because me love that one I do. Good collaboration that. A male and a female. What me like about it is a male and a female are sure the youth say I saw the thing going on because you know say enough youth and youth are stray nowadays. I have some people who are disrespectful. Because I see a certain individual come out and disrespect the Angel and I call her some name and something. I say, no sir, why there are so many men today acting as if them no love woman? Boy, I not lie. That when me hear this individual I say about the Angel, them words that will come out of that person's mouth are very disgusting. And I think the Angel does not deserve to be treated like that. No. Khago, big up yourself. The Angel, big up yourself. I love what I do. What I do, it a work and it looks good. And when I show the youth them say is a male and a female. Do nothing, my brother. Do nothing, my sister. Saying positivity. Burn out negativity out of this. Lightning for negativity and corrupted thinking and toxic thinking. We burn out them something. That positivity we are deal with. The Angel and Khago to the world and a lead out. Great thing on I do. I love on the music. I love on I do. On the video bad, on the song them bad. Yeah, right, sir. Me, Shocking Morris said that.